Today's insurance organizations are stuck in the middle, caught between providing a high level of customer service and maintaining industry compliance standards that often contradict the rapid pace and access to information that a tech-savvy consumer base expects. Core systems can manage data well enough, and third-party document management systems are well known among many insurers. But with advanced needs for business process automation, layers of technology often need to be added, increasing the complexity of the business environment and often resulting in clumsy interfaces for the users. What's an insurer to do? That's where ImageSoft comes in. Powered by Highland Software's award-winning OnBase technology, ImageSoft for Insurers combines integrated document, workflow, business process, and records management into a single application, simplifying processes across your organization and freeing up more time for new business growth. This means that your business efforts, such as new business processing, underwriting, claims, and customer communication management, can all be automated to new levels without the digital sprawl of multiple systems. Brokers, agents, and customers can seamlessly interact with your company anywhere, even from a mobile device, and ImageSoft leverages the low-code, high configurability of OnBase to work at the speed of your business, allowing you to build your business's ideal system quicker so that you can deploy new products to market faster. ImageSoft integrates the OnBase platform with many leading policy administration and claims processing systems, ensuring that your digitized documents meet compliance standards while allowing your team members to focus on what they do best, providing exceptional customer service and support. Whether you're in property and casualty, life insurance, medical malpractice, or other segments, let ImageSoft and OnBase handle the business of automation so that your insurance business can grow and truly thrive. Contact us today or visit imagesoftinc.com/insurance for more information. ImageSoft, the paperless process people.